In this video, we're going to be talking about how to download and install NordVPN on your PC. So let's just get straight into the video. Open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for NordVPN and click on the first link right over here. Now, what you need to do is simply go ahead and click on Get NordVPN right over here. Then you want to simply go ahead and get the best plan that you would like to, and then click on Continue. You can also go ahead and download your VPN by clicking on Windows right over here and download the free app right over here. All you need to do is simply go ahead and open the installer and simply go ahead and run it. Finally, give it the administrator access and it is going to simply start installing onto your PC. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.